This is a 1325 blue and white with CNC router custom made for a customer in Bangladesh. It's currently undergoing final inspection and proofing in our workshop. The blue and white color scheme is the customer's corporate color. We paint, dry, and inspect the entire machine according to export standards. It passed all 3 performance criteria for machining accuracy, repeatability, and continuous operation. All functions were individually verified according to customer requirements, and upon completion, it was packaged and shipped.